Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. As we get older, our hair changes. It may become thinner, drier or more delicate. Many women over 50 want a hairstyle that looks stylish but is also easy to manage. The good news is you don't need to spend hours in front of the mirror to look beautiful. Let's talk about some simple and elegant haircut ideas. First is the short pixie cut. A pixie cut is very easy to care for. It desires quickly and needs very little styling. You can simple wash, apply a little styling cream and you are ready to go. This haircut also makes your face look fresh and youthful. It works great if you have fine or thinning hair. Second is the classic bob haircut. A bob cut is always in style. It can be chin length or slightly longer. This haircut frames the face nicely and gives a clean and neat look. You can keep it straight, slightly layered, or even add soft waves. It is easy to maintain and does not require much effort every day. Next is the layered short haircut. Layers add volume and movement to the hair. If your hair feels flat, layers can make it look fuller. This style is perfect for women who want a little shape without too much styling work. Just blow dry lightly or let it tear dry. Another great idea is the shoulder length cut with soft layers. If you don't want very short hair, this is a perfect option. Shoulder length hair is still easy to manage but gives you more styling choices. You can tie it, clip it or leave it open. Soft layers make it look natural and light. For women with natural gray hair, a textured short cut looks amazing. Gray hair can look very classy and modern. Adding texture makes it stylish and trendy. You can use a small amount of mousse to add volume, but even without much product, it still looks beautiful. Now let's talk about why low maintenance haircuts are important. First, they save time. You don't have to spend 30 minutes styling your hair every morning. Second, they reduce damage. Less heat styling means healthier hair. Third, they give confidence. When your haircut suits your face and lifestyle, you feel comfortable and confident every day. Before choosing a haircut, always think about your hair type, face shape, and daily routine. Talk to your hairstylist and ask for a cut that is easy to manage at home. Thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.